Cannabis is the single most versatile herbal remedy and the most powerful plant on earth. No other plant contains as wide a range of medically active herbal constituents. This is a quote by Ethan Russo at the Cannabinoid Research Institute. Today I'd like to talk to you about the importance and the benefit of legalizing medical marijuana. Medical marijuana is a miracle drug that can help ease the pain of chronic pain to terminal illness. And as it serves beneficial to its patients, I would like to talk to you about the psychological effect, the pain relieving effect, and the economic benefit that it could bring to the U.S. Pain is the root of all medical evil. And although there are many types of pains, there are some that go undiagnosed and incorrectly diagnosed. There are no truly effective medicines for certain types of pain, and sometimes relief comes at the expense of debilitating side effects, according to Joy Mack in her book Marijuana as Medicine. In an entire nation addicted to opioids, we were trying to find a pain reliever that would bring less harm to society. And in that, we found that THC has pain-relieving properties that could ease the pain of migraines, cancer, AIDS, and epilepsy. With chronic pain, opioids don't help. Opioids only help the people who are suffering from short-term pain, such as surgery. When people with chronic pain take opioids, it's not good for them because it brings nausea to long-time users, and they have to up the dosage as their body gets used to it. In a study, 23% of people found a reduction in opioid dependence, and another study of patients with chronic pain using medical cannabis was associated with 64% reduction in opioid use, as well as increased quality of living, according to Cannabinoids versus Opioids for Chronic Pain by Angie Durkolch. Some people live their whole life with chronic illness not knowing how to fix it. But since the research has started on medical marijuana, these people are getting closer and closer to finding out how to live their life without the debilitating pain that they are always in. Not only does medical marijuana serve a physical benefit, it also serves a psychological benefit. With more and more research, we're finding out that medical cannabis serves a positive effect on our mental health. PTSD, take for instance, post-traumatic stress disorder, has a low level of serotonin in the brain. But with research on medical marijuana, we found out that medical marijuana boosts your level of serotonin in the brain. Medical marijuana also has a positive effect on insomnia and recurring nightmares. And some research shows that certain cannabis-derived chemicals may be effective for reducing social anxiety. And while mixed and mainly positive evidence has been revealed for the medication on schizophrenia, according to Psychology Today by Jerome Saris. Medical marijuana also helps ease the frequency of seizures. Take Dravet syndrome. This is a type of epilepsy most common in children. And the type of their seizures are drug resistant, and the mortality rate is high for these children who have this disease. In a study of the benefits of medical marijuana and Dravet syndrome over a 14-week period with 120 patients, the frequency of convulsive seizures decreased from 12.4% to 5.9%, and 43 of those patients had a 50% reduction in seizures. Children who use medical marijuana for their epilepsy are seeing positive changes in the frequency of their illness. Unfortunately, without this being legal, parents have to go through hell and back to get what their children need. And if it's not obtained in time, these children could possibly pass away. In Canada, where marijuana is legal, Canadian medical and recreational markets will pull a total of $5.4 billion by 2022, according to Forbes magazine by Iris Doberman. Canada is benefiting positively from the legalization of medical marijuana, and we're already seeing these positive changes happen in the United States, in the states that have already legalized these drugs, such as Colorado and Washington. Colorado and Washington collected more than $302 million tax and fees on medical marijuana. In a study done by Colorado State University, legal cannabis industries contribute more than $80.8 million to the local economy. With this industry of medical marijuana, this industry could support 24,000 jobs in the U.S. until 2024, according to the benefits of legalizing marijuana by Marnalee Krishni. Medical marijuana serves many purposes such as pain relief, mental health, and serves a positive effect on the economy. Legalizing this type of treatment will benefit our nation in many ways. I'd like you to reflect on the speech that I've given today and read the article, What Are the Benefits of Medical Marijuana?, written by Christina Tierney and medically reviewed by Alan Carter. I'll leave you with a quote by Francis M. Young. Marijuana is one of the safest therapeutically active substances known to man. Thank you.